activity.
Iawn, so beth ti wedi mwynhau wneud? Chwarae pêl-droed a cael tatŵs ti wedi mwynhau. Beth ti wedi mwynhau, Idris?
A Lego.
A chwarae Lego.
Oedden ni hefyd yn edrych ar gwahanol ffyrdd o dod â activities mewn ffordd sy'n mynd i gweithio i unrhyw oedran, so i plant bach neu grŵp sy'n cymysgiad o oed ac oedolion a pawb.
Our brief was to come together in a partnership between football and dance to engage children, young people and families within a sort of physical activity medium.
A hefyd, oedden ni wedi edrych ar posibiliadau o datblygu coreograffi o syniadau sy'n dod o pêl-droed yn gwreiddiol. So, ie.
Chi'n licio dweud rhywbeth arall?
Ie, fi.
Beth ti eisiau dweud, Ians?
Dwi'n mynd i hoffi wneud y pizzas.
Dwi'n mynd i dweud pizza. Beth ti wedi rhoi ar ben dy pizza di?
Salami a pepperoni.
Salami a pepperoni.
Rins?
Well done.
People have asked about whether we have a club for children, and unfortunately we don't because we're a student-run club. But they didn't realise that students would be so engaging with children, but we've all got either kids ourselves or nieces, nephews, sisters, brothers. So yeah, we're here for the community.
What's your form? Let's discover new forms of engagement and new ways in which the community can own and take forward things that are of interest to them.
Oes yna wbeth fel yma ymlaen eto blwyddyn nesaf, so chi'n hoffi dod? Pam? Be da chi wedi mwynhau fwyaf?
Nawr.
Mae o fawr yma.
Mae lot o bethau yma.
A mae yna lot o bethau yma.
My favourite is
Football, dwi'n gyntaf.
the football, getting warmed up and dancing.
Do, mae wedi bod yn brysur dros ben, ac pawb o bob oed wedi bod yn cymryd rhan, a mae jyst yn gret gweld y lle yma mor brysur, a da ni'n edrych ymlaen ar gyfer blwyddyn nesaf yn barod.